Welcome to Kicks and Beats, the channel. I am your host, Broadway J. Please hit subscribe, please hit like, and stay tuned.
Oh, I see it. It's coming. It's coming. I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna get it. Got it. Woo! Got it, y'all. What's going on? It's your boy Broadway J here at it once again. Kicks and Beats, the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, hit like, and stay tuned because we got a beautiful one today. The Yeezy 700 V1 Sun. Yes, I said it. The Sun. Let's get into this. Shout out to Steven Smith because I heard you're the one who designed this. Such a beautiful pair. I'm not gonna get into it right now. This is a special one, y'all. Special one. Let's open it up. Let's take a look. This is the first release this year to come to America. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Woo. Just so hyped about this. And to let you guys know, I've never worn one before when it comes to the silhouette. I've never owned one. Never tried one on till now. Yeah, that means I kind of missed out on the wave runners, y'all. And I gotta be honest with you, when it comes to the colorway, I know a lot of you guys love it, but I wasn't much of a big fan with it. But this right here, the 700 V1 Sun. Let's get into it. Let me show you the details real quick. Shout out to GOAT, even though you guys been giving me terrible issues lately. This is the second pair, still waiting on the first. This one came through instant ship. But yeah, let's get to it. Let's get into it. Go half a size up, guys, when it comes to this shoe. Don't go true to no way. What? Take a look, y'all. Up close, starting right now. Let's get into this beautiful shoe. This shoe features 3M. You can see it right here. I believe you can see it right here as well. Right over here. We got 3M there. We got 3M over here. We have 3M over here as well. You see these? We have it right. That smell. All right. This one doesn't have much of a smell to it. How many months ago were these shoes manufactured? I wonder. But anyways, I want to show you guys the inside real quick. This is the inside. Same color as the one on the outside. This is really dope, guys. This is really dope. Oh, it's blue now underneath. Yeah, check out the details. Check out the details. Guys, you gotta get this when it comes. This is a cop and a half, if you ask me. Cop and a half. Let's check out the tags. Gotta show you the tags real quick, how the tags look, you know what I mean? So when you get your pair, make sure it got this tag. Look at this. More details, more details. Yeah. This came with the same rope string that came with the Yeezy 350 breads. You know, the restock at least, because originally it didn't come with this, but now they do. So you will get that same rope, just to let you guys know. I wonder if these stripes inside are reflective. We'll see with that on foot that I'm going to do over here shortly. I'll use some flash so you guys can see. But yeah, I like this. It's a blend of so many different colors. Is this suede over here and the toe cap the same as this coloring back here? Yes, it is. This seems a little different to me, this color right here, than this color right here, but I don't know if it's because I'm just feeling deceived by the change in materials. You know, when you use the same color on suede and use the same color on leather, sometimes you may feel as if the color is slightly off when it's actually the same. Who knows? But I'm feeling this a lot. This is suede too over here. Suede over here. I'm really enjoying this, guys. For the first 700 V1, I gotta say, I made the right choice. Let's check out the bottom. And of course, the shoe comes with boost too. The most comfortable thing I have ever felt when it came to Adidas brand. I have not tried out 4D yet. I will soon. But this right here, very comfortable, very comfortable. What you guys think? Cop or drop? Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know. You think it's a droppy button? No, I'm just kidding. We all got our own opinions. But yeah, man, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Details, details, details. You know what I mean? Give me the details. I already took the inside piece out, but yeah. Oh my god, this is nuts. This is like some sort of green right here, you know? Some sort of green, some sort of blue going on here. So you got your yellows or gold, whatever you want to call it. Blue, yellow, black. This color right here is not the same as this orange in here. This right here, I don't know what to call it. Peach, is it sherbet? Man, I think I'll just call it sherbet. I feel like calling it sherbet. But yeah, this is so beautiful, man. So beautiful. And just to let you guys know, I picked up some shirts on the internet and I want to see if any of them match with this. Two colors here. I didn't know which one would work, so I just brought both. So shout out to, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, guys. Don't kill me for this one. Shout out to Killian. Shout out to Killian. Yep, they're the ones I ordered this from. This one looks brighter than this one. You'll notice on the website. Let's see which one goes with the shoe, though. Let me see. But I don't even have to open it just to do that, you know. I can compare it right next to it. Let's see. That definitely doesn't go. Does it go with this yellow over here? I think it kind of does. Now here's the thing. Sometimes in real life, I'll notice two things work together. Like it's the same color, but when I see it on video, for some reason, they'll look a little different. But then you look at it up close in person once again, and it looks the exact same. I don't know why video recording does that sometimes, but I'm telling you, this shirt matches with this portion. You can get it on Killian.com. You'll be golden. As golden as this one right here. Take a look at this one. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. No. I gotta take that back. This may not be the one for it after all. It might actually be this one. Yeah. I think it's this one, guys. This is definitely it. What do you guys think? It definitely goes with this section, right? If you want a shirt that goes with that section, you can order on Killian.com. But anyways, I'm too excited for this on feet. I want to wear it right now. So let's get to it. I love it, 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 I love it. Thank you, Steven. Alright, well that pretty much sums up the video. It's time to wrap things up here. Now, these sneakers, is it a cop or is it a drop? Please let us know in the comment section below. Same thing with this t-shirt, is it a cop or is it a drop? Now before you answer that, I'm going to show you guys something that I noticed pretty late into this video. Check out the back of the shirt. I don't know, I think it's kind of fire how they split it in the center with the stitching. So is this shirt a cop or drop as well? Let us know. Now, just to let you guys know, if you look at our subscribers, we're very close. We're very, very close. Last time I checked, we were only 38 subscribers away from reaching 1K, and I did make that promise. At 1K, we're gonna have another huge giveaway. And at that point, we're gonna have monthly giveaways afterwards, starting on the 1st of every month. So you know you guys subscribe if you haven't yet. Stay tuned, you already know what time it is. Another early review coming up soon. It's your boy Broadway J here on Kicks and Beats, and I'm out. Take care, y'all.